Got a 2026 Ford F-450 Platinum here today. Doing top to bottom full kit. We got a Stryker 3.5-inch 4-link with center cradle and traction bars, paired up with some Fox Performance. I think those are Elite Performance. Shocks going on front and rear. We'll also be doing Stryker's dual steering stabilizer on it. We'll be doing some 24-inch American Force Dooms, along with some 37-inch Toyo Open Countries, and a Horn Blasters spare tire delete kit in the back. So we got the front just about wrapped up. We'll go to the rear. We get the rear lift on. We've also got some ReadyAIR Logic IQ load level and airbags, and that'll be paired with the compressor and a remote. Got this thing just about wrapped up here. Everything is on full lift kit. We've got a radius arm drop, which is also a 4-link conversion, upper and lower control arms, center cradle traction bars, Fox Performance shocks all the way around it. We did the Logic ReadyLift load level and airbag system with a compressor. Doing a leak test right now on it. Got it aired up. We're gonna spray it with soapy water in a second. All we got to do now is go hit the alignment rack, put the wheels and tires on it, do some test driving.